A denied cash advance in the B9 app usually happens when your bank account doesn't show steady income deposits, your account history is too limited, or the app can't properly verify your banking data. By the end of this, you'll know how to check the exact reason for denial, how B9 evaluates eligibility, and what changes can improve your approval chances next time. Start by opening the B9 app and checking your advance eligibility screen. If it shows denied, the system has already run an automated check using your linked bank account. Next, open your connected bank account inside the app and review your transaction history. B9 relies heavily on real-time deposits to decide if you can safely repay an advance. If your income deposits are missing or inconsistent, approval is often blocked automatically. Now, check where your paycheck is actually being deposited. If your income goes into a different bank account than the one linked, B9 won't count it toward eligibility. Next, look at how old your bank account is. A very new account with little activity can trigger denial because there isn't enough data to evaluate your financial pattern. If that's your situation, time and consistent deposits usually fix it. Now, confirm your bank connection is working properly. If the sync is broken, B9 may not be seeing your full income or balance data. Next, check if your bank login credentials have changed recently. Password resets or security updates can silently break the connection without showing a clear error. Now make sure your B9 app is fully updated. Older versions can cause incorrect eligibility checks or outdated approval results. If everything looks correct, sign out of the app and sign back in. That refreshes your session and forces a new eligibility review using updated data. If you recently changed jobs or pay schedules, your deposit pattern may look unstable for a short time. In that case, eligibility often returns once consistent deposits appear again. Avoid submitting repeated advance requests without changes to your bank data. Each attempt uses the same financial profile, so nothing improves until your banking history updates. If needed, remove and reconnect your bank account to fully refresh the data sync. A clean reconnection can fix hidden verification issues that block approval. If nothing works, contact B9 support with your denial message and bank details. To sum it up, verify your income deposits, confirm your bank connection, check your account history, and refresh your app session. Next, focus on building consistent banking activity before reapplying. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more B9 tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tips.